I tried Defichain wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Defichain wallet app, I thought it would be just another Diffie tool, but after using it for 7 days straight, the shocking truth is that this app is quietly building one of the most practical ecosystems for decentralized finance right on your phone. On day 1, I set up my wallet and was surprised by how simple it was. Within minutes, I was ready to send, receive, and manage DeFi tokens, the native currency of Defichain. No complicated steps, just straightforward access to the blockchain. By day 2, I began exploring its DeFi features. You can stake DeFi, provide liquidity, and even earn yield directly in the app. What stood out was how transparent everything felt. Every transaction was on-chain and rewards appeared in real time. Midweek, I tried tokenized stocks, one of Defichain's most unique features. You can gain exposure to assets like Tesla, Apple, or gold through decentralized tokens, all without leaving the wallet. Most people don't realize how revolutionary that is. DeFi meets traditional finance in one tap. By day 5, I noticed the wallet's security. It's non-custodial, meaning I held the keys. And with backup options and recovery phrases, I never had to rely on a third party. By the end of 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. The Defichain wallet isn't just for crypto experts. It's for anyone who wants to participate in DeFi without getting lost in complex platforms. It brings staking, liquidity mining, and even synthetic assets into a single, clean interface. If you're curious about decentralized finance, but want something that feels safe and approachable, the Defichain wallet might surprise you. It shows that DeFi doesn't have to be intimidating. It can be simple, transparent, and genuinely rewarding.